Alright, hello guys. Here I have in front of me is a 2002, the 2003 Lasko 3733. This is another pioneer in my collection, as I had this fan for about 7 years now. I got this fan for from a school, from my high school. I had traded it for a wind machine. I traded my wind machine for this fan. The reason why is because this fan was like one of the few fans that played a big childhood, that played a role in my childhood. My aunt had like 10 of these in total. Ever since I was like a baby, I would see some in our house that would be like new in the box, that would be in the box, or that would be broken, like with the blades broke, and having like the hub colored in with crayon. And you know, I figured since I seen this at my high school 7 years ago, and these fans are starting to become a little more uncommon, I figured as though why not trade it? Why not trade it? Why not trade my wind machine and get this fan? And here it is 7 years later. But when I got this fan was roughly like, this fan is like in rough shape when I first got this fan. You guys could probably tell, yes, the blade is chipped. It has a crack on the this blade has a crack right here. Yeah, pretty big crack, and some chips on the blades. I think it's just this one, but this blade still holds up. We turn to the side. It was taped on here at one time. I think it was because there was no screw for this side. I can't remember, but cosmetically, it's all right. And here we go with the back. This motor, unfortunately, is misaligned. I think it was because the abuse that it went through in my high school. It's like the motor is going towards this way a little bit. But this fan still has its original handle and knob. And like I said, I don't know where that tape came from. Like I said, this fan probably didn't have screws at the time, but this fan will definitely tip over in all 3 speeds. That's how powerful it is. So I'm just using my Cool Colors box as a support system. But without further ado, here it is on high. There we go. This fan is insanely powerful. Fan shakes an awful lot too. I don't know if you guys can really see it. And this fan has been a workhorse in my collection for the last 7 years. It still holds up pretty strong too. You know, this is now a 22-year-old fan now. Yep, this fan has held up for more than 20 years. And here it is this day. So I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video I have in store for you guys. Thank you.